that.
And tap it.
Go on and play outside, kids.
That was a nice service. You did a great job for Lisa. Maybe think of a career switch.
You said you deleted that video.
I know, but I was never gonna show it to anyone. Those stupid USBs all look the same.
Hand it over here.
I think I must have left it at the funeral parlor. Hey, Pig, don't worry. I'll get it, all right? And then we'll delete the video together, right? Listen, babe, listen. I know you're upset, huh? And I get it, you're mad. But, let me just fix this, and we'll talk later.
No, Saeed. I think it's best if we went our own ways.
The house is in amazing shape. I just did renovations on it 2 years ago, so I think you could put it on the market tomorrow.
Was I not clear with you?
Hey, I just want to know how you're holding up.
How was the service?
Very nice. You could have been there, though.
Lise, I miss you.
You should have thought of that before.
That's the reason we broke up. She can be incredibly selfish.
Hey, baby, it's time for mommy to soak you up.
What the fuck are you doing
What
here?
am I doing here? I live here, you ass.
Why do you want to soap me up?
I thought you were Jack.
Jack has light skin.
Okay, could you just cover that up, please?
Shit, sorry, babe. Oh, shit. Sorry. I forgot to tell you that Saeed is staying with us.
Forgot, Jack? How the fuck did you forget that?
Okay.
Don't worry, babe.
Never helped you out.
I'm talking. It's nothing I've ever seen before.
Lift with your ass, Lise. Bend and thrust. And thrust!
What have you got in here? Granite?
No, pumps, makeup, pleasure pal.
What?
Vibrator.
You seriously brought a vibrator to your bachelorette party?
Yeah, I need to stay in shape, don't I? And it's not a service I can ask my own guy to perform. Where are you?
320 euro cash.
300.
See?
No, that can't be right, guys. 300?
He's asking 300 for the quick lift he gave him? It can't be more than 50 euros. Just find Strava.
Just give me my fucking money.
I'll give you your money, but just 50 euros. Nothing more, otherwise I'll call the cops.
I'm not here to lose my fucking time, okay?
How about I just kick you in the nuts instead, huh? How about that? Take that, you little prick.
On the island for 2 minutes and they're already causing trouble.
All my stuff was in that taxi.
I offered to pick you up at the airport, but you turned me down.
But I'm here.
With no luggage. Come, I'll show you around. Welcome. You can leave your bags here. First bedroom's right here. Bathroom over there. Here's the patio. And this way is the kitchen. Now, here, you can open this up if you want.
Wow, this is so awesome. I'm totally speechless.
And this is self-explanatory.
Are you sure this is no trouble? I mean, it's too much.
Just sit back and relax. Looks like you need it.
Noah, if I knew about this earlier, I would have come by every summer. If you're still single, I might just dump Johnny's ass.
I'd keep Johnny for now if I were you.
Oh, so you are seeing someone.
I didn't say that.
Mysterious. I like that. By the way, I know a girl who is very single. That one there in the white top. Geek. I'm headed right over there.
I have to deal with some stuff at the club. Hey, just make yourselves at home, okay? Call me if you need anything.
Yeah, I definitely will. Oh my God. The guy I will. This is the last time all three of us will be single, so let's have fun, ladies. What are you talking about? You're not single. Let's just pretend I am for now. Okay, cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Come on, let's take a picture. This side. This is my good side. Yeah, I can see that. Okay, are we ready? It's pizza!
I really need all that.
Yeah, I really do. And I'm still looking for a really good breast pump. I really want to breastfeed.
You need a device for that?
Yeah, it'll be useful when I'm working and when you feed the baby at night. Oh, and we should start looking for a house. I'll move in with you.
And a bit soon.
Soon. We've been going pretty fast so far.
If you remembered to take your pill, we wouldn't even be here right now. Besides, you made the choice to keep it without even asking me how I felt about it.
So are you telling me I'm on my own?
I didn't say that. But is it even my kid?
You are such a fucking prick sometimes. Get away from me.
Yeah, you seeing it?
Pardon?
It's a pretty sweet view, huh? Oh yeah, nice cold beer in that view doesn't get much better than that. But listen, there might be an opening right here for you.
Hello?
Yeah?
I'm laying spread eagled over here.
Hey, listen, buddy, I better get back to you later, all right? Yeah? Say hi for me. He's a nut job. I gotta go. Sorry. Yeah, bye. Sorry.
This isn't happening.
Oh, got the kick there.
You gonna work it out, Cody?
I don't know anymore. Do I keep accepting all the stupid things he does?
He's staying with us.
How's that working?
It's all right. I just hope it's not going to go on forever. I just want my privacy back.
Hey! So, I see you're lying back taking it easy.
That's not funny, Jack.
Okay, now guys, everything looks great up there, and I...
Why don't you just go dive into your toilet?
The guy from
maybe have a
Seinfeld.
picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
why not?
jumping.
Right, sure.
Everything there. Everything I jump in for. I can't
Like a retired librarian. Why don't you get us a round of drinks from Rico Suave over there? Oh. I can't believe you're really gonna settle down.
It's okay.
Is the Spanish really that bad?
They don't accept any response. So, 2 mojitos. Have a screaming orgasm.
Sorry?
It's the name of the drink. I think you'll like it.
Well, in that case, we'll have those two Look who just got here.
Ladies, having a good time? You've made it. It looks great on me, though. And since when do you dance? You gotta stick up your ass. Did you know I used to be mad at you?
Funny, I was madly in love with you. There's always sort of floated around willy-nilly.
So that's why I kept running into you.
Why didn't you ever tell me?
I wanted to, I just never could find the words.
Well, you're doing pretty good right now, aren't you?
Are you okay?
She slipped. She slipped.